In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to insert an image into any Mailchimp email campaign you're working on. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual details. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and find the campaigns section. Click on that, and Mailchimp will load a page showing all of your existing campaigns. From this list, locate the email campaign where you want to add an image. On the right side of that campaign, you'll see an edit button. Click edit, and Mailchimp will open a preview of the email you're currently building or have previously created. In this preview view, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Edit Design. This will open the main email editor, where you can change the layout, text, and of course, add images. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand panel. This is where all your content blocks live. Find the image block. Click and drag this image block into your email layout and drop it exactly where you want your image to appear. You can place it above a text block, between sections, or anywhere that fits your design. Once you've dropped the image block in place, look again at the left panel and click Add. Here, Mailchimp will give you 3 ways to bring in your image. You can upload an image from your computer, browse images you've already uploaded to Mailchimp, or add one directly from Canva. For this walkthrough, we'll choose Upload Image. When you select Upload Image, your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Click on the image you want to use, and then press Enter or click Open. Mailchimp will start uploading your image. Give it a moment to finish, and once the upload is complete, you'll see the image appear inside your email in the editor. With the image in place, you can fine-tune how it looks. On the left panel, you'll see options under Content, Styles, and Visibility. Use these tabs to adjust things like the image alignment, size, and spacing, or to control how and when the image is shown to your audience. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner of the editor. From here, you can click Send Test to send yourself a test email and preview how the image looks in an actual inbox, or choose Save and Exit if you're done editing for now. That's all you need to add an image in Mailchimp.